Did you know a cheap brush can ruin a paint job? It's not just about the paint you use, but the tools you choose. A low-quality brush can lead to uneven strokes, clumping, and a finish that looks anything but professional. It's true, using the right brush is like having a pro by your side. A high-quality brush ensures that the paint goes on smoothly and evenly, making your job easier and the results far superior. You'll get smoother finishes, less mess, and a whole lot less frustration. Imagine painting a wall and seeing a flawless, even coat of paint with no streaks or clumps. That's the magic of using the right brush. Trust me, your walls will thank you. Not only will they look better, but the paint job will last longer, saving you time and money in the long run. Now let's dive into the wonderful world of painting. Preparation is key. Make sure you have all the right supplies before you start. This includes high-quality brushes, painter's tape, drop cloths, and of course, your chosen paint. It's easier than you think to achieve professional-looking results. Start with a clean, smooth surface, and use even, consistent strokes. Don't rush the process. Take your time to ensure every inch is covered perfectly. With a few simple tips and tricks, you'll be painting like a pro in no time. Remember, the right brush can make all the difference. Happy painting! Painting is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to transform your home. A fresh coat of paint can brighten a room, update your style, and even increase your home's value. But let's be honest, nobody wants a DIY paint job that screams amateur. Learning a few pro techniques goes a long way. You'll save time, money, and avoid those frustrating painting mishaps. Plus, there's nothing more satisfying than stepping back to admire a job well done. We've all been there. Uneven brush strokes, those dreaded paint drips. And let's not forget the dreaded bleed through. These common painting problems can make a project feel overwhelming. But don't worry, these issues are easily avoidable. With the right tools, techniques, and a little bit of know-how, you can achieve a smooth, professional finish every time. Section 4. Pro tips for a flawless finish. Whether you're a seasoned painter or a beginner, these tips will help you achieve a professional look. First things first, invest in quality materials. The tools you use can make or break your project. A good brush and roller make a world of difference. Cheap tools can leave streaks and shed bristles, ruining your hard work. Don't skimp on the paint either. High-quality paint provides better coverage and durability. Choose a paint that's right for your surface and provides good coverage. Consider the finish as well, matte, satin, or gloss. Each has its own benefits. Next up, surface prep is key. Proper preparation ensures that your paint adheres well and lasts longer. Clean your walls thoroughly to remove dust and grime. This step is crucial for a smooth finish. Use painter's tape to protect trim and create crisp lines. Take your time to apply it carefully. For a smooth finish, especially on older walls, consider applying a primer. Primer helps to seal the surface and provides a uniform base for your paint. Finally, let's talk brush technique. How you apply the paint can affect the final look. Load your brush with the right amount of paint and use long, even strokes. This helps to distribute the paint evenly. Don't press too hard, let the brush do the work. Pressing too hard can cause streaks and uneven coverage. Overlapping your strokes by about 50% will help avoid those pesky lines. This technique ensures a seamless finish. Take your time and be patient. Rushing can lead to mistakes and a less than perfect finish. With these pro tips, you'll be well on your way to achieving a flawless finish on your next painting project. Happy painting! Section 5. My secret weapon, the W technique. Ready for a game changer? This technique is a must-know for anyone looking to elevate their painting skills. The W technique will take your painting skills to the next level. It's not just about slapping paint on a wall, it's about precision and efficiency. It's all about applying the paint in a W pattern, which helps distribute the paint evenly across the surface. This method ensures that you cover more area without overloading any single spot, then smoothing it out with vertical strokes. This step is crucial as it blends the paint seamlessly, eliminating any harsh lines or streaks. This ensures even coverage and minimizes those dreaded roller marks. See the difference? The W technique not only saves time but also reduces the amount of paint you use. The W technique is a simple yet effective way to achieve a professional-looking finish. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional painter, this method will make your work stand out. Try it out on your next project and prepare to be amazed. You'll find that the W technique not only improves the quality of your work, but also makes the entire painting process more enjoyable and less stressful. Section 6. Ready to tackle your next project? You've got this. Remember, the right tools, techniques, and a little practice are all it takes to paint like a pro. Don't be afraid to jump in and get your hands dirty. For more DIY tips, tricks, and behind-the-scenes fun, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Happy painting, friends!